So, what is an LLM? LLM refer to large language model. An LLM is an AI model that is trained on a huge amount of text, such as blogs, websites, and articles. This allows it to understand and generate human language. Large refer to trained on a huge amount of text. So you can find ChatGPT act like a lawyer, a teacher, programmer, doctor, even an engineer because he trained on a huge amount of text. So he knows a lot of things. Language refer to it works with human language. He can answer questions, writes text, translates, and more. And model is an AI system that learns language pattern to predict the next word instead of memorizing information like a database. Example of an LLM is GPT. The GPT model can answer questions, write text, and helps with coding. There's an important note. ChatGPT is an AI application that uses one or more LLMs under the hood. So you have to know that there's difference between GPT and OpenAI and ChatGPT. GPT is the model name. For example, GPT 4.1, GPT 5, or GPT 4.0. That's the model, that's the LLM. OpenAI is the company that created that model. And ChatGPT is an AI application. It can be website or mobile application.